I'm 18 right now. So I started when I was 17. In the program since June to 18 or July. I personally just want to be free or travel around the world. That's my one of my big dreams. And I knew, or I know that I can't do it when I'm in a normal job or don't make enough money. And I just always had the feeling that I want to do something different or something else. Ending up making in one day, yeah, like the same amount of money with which I worked like, I don't know, 3 months in Germany to have that amount of money. It feels amazing to just know, okay, now I'm just 18 and my life is starting, and solve that money thing and concentrate on the bigger picture, on the stuff that really matters.